This video shows the equipment, Biosafety airtight door, supplied by Biotech, to Bharat Biotech for setting up an ABSO Level 10 laboratory in India. Bharat Biotech is a pioneering biotechnology company known for its world-class R&D and manufacturing capabilities. Bharat seeks to lead the fight against disease by spearheading innovation in biotechnology with a focus on emerging markets. It is our honor to provide Bharat with biosafety equipment. Our products are used in laboratories